Dogness Smart Fountain. Product packaging box contains one fountain, one pump, a power adapter, and a filter. Adjust the water flow control switch of the water pump to set the amount of water flow. The amount of water added to the water dispenser should not exceed the maximum water level marker. Install replaceable dual filter as shown in the manual. Filters need to be replaced every 1 to 2 months. Plug in the power cord. The fountain comes with a built-in LED light for easy viewing of the water level. Our patented water purification technology keeps water fresh and improves water quality. The fountain is very convenient to clean. It is recommended to clean 1 to 2 times a week. Dogness Smart Fountain, your pet's healthy drinking water expert.